Good morning, students. Today we are starting deep water chapter once again. In previous class, we discussed about William Douglas and we discussed about the causes of fear. As I described yesterday, that when he was 3 to 4 year old, an incident happened with him. Due to that, the fear was started in his mind. When he became 10 to 11 year old, at that time, once again, he started to learn swimming at YMCA pool. But when he started to learn swimming, another incident happened with him and the fear of water seized him completely. So we have discussed all these things in previous class, means causes of fear. What were the causes of fear we have discussed yesterday. Today we will discuss how did he overcome on fear of water. William Douglas wants to learn swimming. He wants to overcome on his fear of water. So for doing it, what steps are taken by him? These are given here. So now we are starting. Hired an instructor to learn swimming. Now William Douglas thought that I will learn how to swim. So first step was that he hired an instructor for learning swimming. Next, the instructor taught him swimming piece by piece. When William Douglas hired an instructor taught him swimming piece by piece, one by one. He made him perfect in the art of swimming. Then third, he went to different lakes to swim. When instructor made him perfect in the art of swimming, he went to different lakes for testing himself, whether he is able to learn or whether he is able to swim or no. Then he challenged the fear and swam. When he went on different lakes, so sometimes fear revived in his mind and he felt that he is still in grip of fear. But he challenged the fear and swam. Swimming up and down the warm lake, he finally overcome his fear of water. So finally he found himself that he was swimming properly. So dear students, in this chapter you studied two things. First was causes of fear and second was how did William Douglas overcome on his fear of water. In previous class I discussed about the causes of fear, and in today's class I described how did he overcome on his fear. First he hired an instructor, then the instructor taught him the art of swimming one by one. When instructor made him perfect in the art of swimming, then he went to the different lakes for testing himself. Sometimes he found that the fear started again in his mind. So he overcame on that, and finally he challenged the fear and swam, and swimming up and down the warm lake he finally overcome on his fear of water. So this is given in the chapter of deep water. I am sending you PDF file. You will do all the work in your peer notebook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.